We're just above you, mate, you see us?
I knew, yeah. Oh my god, this is not gonna end.
Aye, I'm gonna have to jump off the phone, mate, so I can come try and get you.
Man jumped off.
2 minutes, boss.
I can land here.
Right, easy, remember.
Ah! Right, mate, let me get down low enough, and then you'll be able to just jump, right?
Right.
Right.
3.
Right. Ah!
Up a bit, up a bit.
Go.
Ah,
Don't do it, don't do it.
I've jumped! Hello, boss, I'm Willie for the NHS, I'm here to help you, mate.
This is Mission Impossible.
Mate, I'm so glad I've got my shit running. Right, the mission for us is to get back in. Right, hold on, mate. I'm not even going to bother with the RP, mate. I'm just going to try and get you sorted.
Mate, I didn't blame you. Just fucking pick me up.
Oh, I'll fuck it. I'll rev you, mate. But fucking, you're a fucking psycho, mate.
I think the best scenario for us here is to, I'm not kidding, just jump off the edge.
Aye. Hamish, we're just going to fucking nosedive. But I'll try and get into the helicopter. He's just going to fucking nosedive off the edge, mate.
I'll try as well. I'll try as well.
He's going to try. He's going to try it as well, mate.
If it doesn't work, then
that'll be fine.
I'm sure you don't get in, mate.
If we can't get in, just get me using the flare.
Aye, we'll Top Gun this shit.
Dun 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 da 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 da.
Is that Top Gun? That sounds really Baywatch.
No, that was fucking Top Gun, mate. That's definitely no Top Gun, mate. Right, we're ready for you.
Hold on.
am I gonna get a nice haircut here or what?
Right, stay there. No! Help!